Welcome to Math Today. So today we're going to keep working on representing numbers up to 20. Remember last week we took that piece of paper, we folded it into 4 squares, and in each box we represented a different number? That means that we used objects or drawings or another way to show that number. Let's review a little by representing a few numbers. We'll start off easy. So let's represent the number 5. What's another way we can represent the number 5? Yeah, we can draw dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you think of another way that we can represent 5? Our fingers. So I can draw my hand. Here's my thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look, there's my ring. So there's my hand representing 5. What's another way? We can draw 5 different objects. Let's do stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just recently, we learned another way to represent numbers, which are those tally marks. We've been doing them every morning. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number 5 is always diagonally, always across 5. That's pretty cool. So what we're going to do today is we're going to keep practicing representing those numbers all the way to 20. But we're going to do a fun coloring activity by representing that number. So you see here, I have these sheets in Schoology. We have all 4 of them. You don't need to do all 4. You just need to pick one. There's a little heart with numbers. There's an image here, and this one with eyes. I wonder what that is. So these 2 have different ways of representing those numbers. If you look closely, we have tally marks. We also have dominoes. Look, we have chain. We have the 1s and the 10s. We also have dots and items. Lots and lots of objects in there. So your job, friends, is to just count up each one in each individual area. And then at the bottom, it has the code. Like you're a secret spy, your secret code to color. If you get 14, you will color it blue. So I'm going to grab my blue and color it blue. If you're 15, it's going to get colored green. If you're 16, it's going to get colored red. If you're 17, it's going to get colored pink, 18 yellow, 19 white, and 20 purple. So let's count one of these areas to show you what I mean. So we'll start with that middle one, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you notice that I'm drawing a line across each object as I count it? That's really important, friends, so that we don't make mistakes, we don't count it twice, and so we don't lose our place. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. So I'm going to look down here, and what's secret code? What color is 18? There it is. It's yellow. So I'm going to take that yellow, and I'm going to color all this in here yellow. And you just keep going. So this page and this page are very similar. You get to count them, and then you color them based on the code. Now this page, you will trace the numbers. Oh, so we're going to actually represent them with numbers. So let's start with this one in the middle. That's a 20. So let's look down here to see what color my 20. Oh, my 20 is going to be red. So this entire area that has a 20 is going to be colored in red. I wonder what it is. Red. And finally, the last one is very similar. You trace the numbers up to 20, and then you find the code. Friends, when you are done, we would love to see your creation. Take a picture of it. If you're at home, you can just screenshot it and use the markup feature. If you don't feel like printing, that's fine. Screenshot works perfectly. Can't wait to see your creations.